Everyone dreams of being rich, but very few actually take the steps to get there. The truth is, wealth isn't built by luck or magic. It's built by small daily habits that compound over time. And here's the catch. Most people underestimate how powerful these habits are. They think becoming rich requires a big business, a lottery win, or a huge salary. But in reality, it's about what you do every single day. So, if you've ever wondered what the rich do differently, stay with me, because in this video, I'll share 7 daily habits that will make you rich, starting today. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills, before you spend on anything, pay yourself first. That means setting aside a portion of your income for savings or investments the moment you get paid. Wealthy people treat saving like a bill that must be paid. Even if it's just 10% of your income, it adds up. Think of it this way. If you earn $3,000 and save $300 every month, that's $3,600 a year. And over 10 years, with compound interest, it could grow to $50,000 or more. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Habit number 2. Track every dollar. You can't control what you don't measure. Most people have no idea where their money goes. But rich people track every dollar, not because they're stingy, but because they understand awareness creates control. Use a free budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, or Google Sheets. When you see where your money leaks, you'll automatically start fixing it. It's not about restriction. It's about direction. Habit number 3. Read or listen to money wisdom daily. The rich have one thing in common. They never stop learning. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. You don't have to do that. But spend at least 15 minutes daily reading or listening to something that improves your financial mindset. Podcasts like The Ramsey Show or YouTube channels like Graham Stephan or Minority Mindset are great. Remember, what you feed your mind determines how you handle money. Habit number 4. Set a daily spending limit. This one's powerful. Give yourself a maximum daily spending limit. Say $20 a day for now. Once it's gone, stop spending. This trains your brain to delay gratification and prioritize needs over wants. Over time, it rewires how you view money. It's how you go from spending unconsciously to spending with intention, just like the rich do. Habit number 5. Review your goals every morning. Most people wake up and let the day control them. The rich wake up and control the day. Every morning, take 5 minutes to look at your financial goals. Whether it's saving $10,000, paying off debt, or starting an online business, write them down. Visualize them. When your goals stay fresh in your mind, your actions automatically align with them. It's simple psychology. Focus drives results. Habit number 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. Every time you earn more, do you start spending more? That's lifestyle creep, and it's the biggest enemy of wealth. Rich people fight this by keeping their expenses stable, even when their income grows. Just because you get a raise doesn't mean you need a new phone, car, or bigger house. Save or invest that extra money instead. That's how millionaires are made, not from earning more, but from keeping more. Habit number 7. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income is dangerous. The average millionaire has 7 income streams, not 1. You don't need all 7, but start with 2. A side hustle, freelancing, YouTube, or investing. Anything that adds to your income without taking too much time. Even $200 extra a month from a second income can snowball into wealth over time. The key is, make your money work for you, not the other way around. Let's recap. Pay yourself first. Track every dollar. Learn about money daily. Set spending limits. Review goals. Avoid lifestyle creep. And build extra income streams. Do these 7 things daily, and in 1 year, you'll look back amazed at how much you've changed. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built every night, through consistent habits. So, which of these habits will you start today? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical wealth tips every week. Remember, small daily actions create massive financial success.